The easiest way to cook sautéed vegetables that you can serve with any lunch or dinner you have. It's very delicious and very easy to make. You can store it in the fridge for several days so you don't have to make a salad every day. You need 1 kilogram of zucchini, 800 grams of carrots, and 300 grams of green beans. If you don't have the beans, no problem, you can continue with the zucchini and carrot. Wash the ingredients very well and start to cut it. You can do the beans with your hands or with a knife, but I prefer the hands method. In a large pot, add some oil and add all the vegetables. Add some salt, but be careful not to add too much because the vegetables will shrink in size. Put it on high heat covered for 15 minutes or until they're fully cooked. Meanwhile, I will make a quick lunch. Some potatoes with some oil on high heat until they take a golden color. When you reach this color, remove them from the pan and we will add the meat to the pan. I have some meat strips in the freezer, so I'm using it today for the lunch. Put it on high heat to avoid having too much water in the pan. And this time our vegetables are nearly fully cooked. I will add some butter to give it some shine and I will mix it together. I will cover it for the last time until they're fully cooked. I love when some vegetables take this color, they taste so good. Now you can taste and add anything you want. I will add some black pepper and some oregano or dried basil if you don't have. You can add some salt if you want to the taste. Meanwhile, the meat is fully cooked. I will return the potatoes. Some black pepper, some paprika, and some oregano or dried basil. A little bit of water and I will cover it until the potatoes are fully cooked. Our lunch is ready. You can serve the sautéed vegetables hot or at room temperature. Also, you can store it in the fridge and you can serve it the next day. Now it's your turn to tell me what's your favorite mix that you like to make the sautéed vegetables with. Try this recipe and let me know your opinion. صحتين وهنا.